How to restore fallen breasts and have a perky, sexy-looking boobs. Boobs may fall due to various factors including breastfeeding, hormone changes, menopause, and weight gain and weight loss. However, you don't have to undergo all those expensive surgery procedures and those risky to your health creams. These tips will help you achieve that perky, sexy boobs with amazing breast cleavage. So watch the video till the end, it will be very interesting and useful. Here we go. And by the way, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you won't miss out on any of our new videos. 1. Practice appropriate posture. Maintaining terrific posture not solely continues your physique in alignment, it can additionally emphasize your breasts by way of giving the illusion of lift. To achieve this posture, you should keep your toes planted on the ground or a footrest when sitting. Avoid sitting or standing in the same function for prolonged periods. Stand straight, with your shoulders pulled backward and your knees bent slightly. 2. Massage your breasts. It has been proven that massaging your breasts may also moreover expand blood drift and stimulate collagen production, which may also want to add some elevate through tightening muscular tissues and stimulating tissue growth. To gently rub down your boobs, start by cupping one hand on the pinnacle of your opposite breast. Then squeeze the other boob gently in a circular rubbing motion. Then move your hand down the pinnacle of your breast gradually. Work your hand spherical the outside, under, and inner segment of your breast using the identical rubbing motion. Alternate between squeezing and rubbing down with mild fingertip circles. 3. Bra hack. Racer back bra. You can flip your everyday bra into a racer back to grant yourself some lift. All you have to do is take your straps and pin them back. You can use a paper clip too or a piece of string to preserve your bra straps together. Bra stack. This has been a traditional trick that can make your breasts appear bigger and perkier. And it's simple, just put on 2 bras. It may feel uncomfortable at first, on the other hand you'll get used to it in time. Bra stuffing. Stuffing your bra with a piece of cloth, for example handkerchief, to boost your cleavage. Fold it and put it under the outdoor of your breasts. You can use any kind of clothing you want. Larger socks will end result in a big lift, and smaller socks will furnish you a refined boost. 4. Choose your outfit wisely. Shirts and apparel with V-neck, plunging, or sweetheart necklines are the exceptional for showcasing your cleavage and giving the phantasm of lift. A perfect aspect about this hack is that you can mix it with other hints for most effects. 5. Tape hack. When you want to ditch your bras, tapes can be a better option. You can only use gaffer tape, sports activities tape, or those design tapes to bring up your breasts. Gaffer tape is preferred because it has a sturdy hold, although it may irritate the skin. But if you're having any reaction, you may opt for sports activities tape. Remember, don't use the duct tape in any case. There are 2 ways to tape your boobs depending on your dressing style. 1. If you're wearing a deep V-neck blouse or shirts, you should cut a strip of tape long enough to attain from the bottom of your breast to the pinnacle of your shoulder. You commence on the outside of your breast, and add increased strips of tape transferring inward. 2. If you're wearing strapless, open shoulder or backless garments or shirts, you should cut a strip of tape lengthy enough to obtain from the outdoor of one breast to the other. Add more layers of tape going upward until your breasts are blanketed and your nipples aren't visible. 6. Hydrotherapy. It has been proven that hydrotherapy can additionally improve ordinary blood flow with the glide and awaken nerves, which ought to promote breast firmness. If you have no access to a swimming pool, after showering, turn off the water, then rinse your breasts with warm water for a minute. Then switch to cold water and rinse your breasts for a minute. Practice this at least once in a day for better results. 7. Silicone cutlets bra inserts. Cutlets are silicone or water-filled inserts that you slip to internal of your bra to create straightaway fullness and cleavage. Take your silicone cutlets and vicinity one on each facet of your bra towards the backyard of your breasts. If you wish to make your breasts appear larger, put the cutlets acceptable below your breasts. You can buy these cutlets at online stores like Amazon. 8. Targeted exercises. Exercises concentrated on your pinnacle physique will help your chest muscle mass and enhance your posture, which will make your breasts seem to be perkier. Push-ups, plank-ups, chest fly, and chest presses will help to boost your boobs. If you decide upon to add extra tone, use 5 or 10-pound dumbbells with every exercise. To get started, set aside at least 15 or 20 minutes a day for a speedy strength training circuit. You can even do each exercise at some point of your daily routine, for instance during a break. 9. Use of push-up bra. At least have 1 or 2 in your closet. These bras are excellent for all breast types. This bra provides support and lift, making your breasts appear fuller and boosting your cleavage. While purchasing these bra, look for the one that has a plunge neckline and is gently padded, giving you dramatic-looking cleavage. Also the one that has a deep plunge with ample padding to give you closing lift for a natural-looking enhance to your cleavage. Get used to wearing these kind of bras for a better results. 10. Embrace healthy diet. Nutrient-rich meals will help you keep that healthful breast tissue, which can maintain your breast association and firmness. Make sure you eat some foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, avocado and some eggs to increase the monounsaturated fat that will promote breast tissue growth. Also, more high antioxidant foods such as kale, broccoli, watermelon, cabbage, and whole grains will be able to boost healthy breast tissue. Remember not to overeat so that you can maintain that healthy weight. 11. Go fitting bras. Go for a well-fitted bra as this will offer you the most support, lifting your breasts and preserving a perky shape to your boobs. Your breast shape and sizes, whether round, asymmetrical, or have a bit of a sag, will always have an effect on the type of bra you buy. When shopping for bra, reflect on the following. Front-closed bras can increase cleavage. With a molded cup, they will convey your breasts nearer together, giving them elevation and bettering your cleavage. Balconette bras create lift. They offers a rounded look and great support with less coverage than a full cup style. Bras that have underwire, wider straps, a wider back band, and a full coverage cup will provide you with the raise you want. Tell us what you think in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, so that you won't miss out on future helpful tips for your well-being. Enjoy your day and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.